Miss Savannah Atwood Robinson.
This certificate, which I'll read only once because it's the same thing for everybody. DNA tested African descendants, ancestral naming certificate. Let it be known that the ancestral name of the Igbo people, Olama, which means beautiful gold. Ola is a pearl, and the obviously, more is so beautiful. Has been given back to Savannah Atwood Robinson on this 28th day of July 2018. And we, your brethren, rejoice with you, reunify with you, and you have all rights and privileges of an Igbo daughter from now henceforth.
On behalf of all the Igbo communities here in the United States and the Igbo generally, the Igbo, I present the certificate as our son, our daughter, to you. God bless you. Amen.
Bend down to be blessed.
God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.
Put your hands together.